Good morning, children. As I told you that I will show you to draw how to draw the diagram of law of reflection with the help of scale and protector as you have to draw. Fine. So I am not using a pencil because that will be very difficult for you to see in the video. No? So I am using a pen. You have to draw it with the pencil. So just draw a line showing the reflecting surface. Can you see this line? Say AB. Okay. And we will draw hatching to show the silvering. Okay. So this is the reflecting surface. Okay. This is the silvering. Right. Now we have to draw a normal on this line. Right. So just put the protractor. You know how to draw a 90-degree angle. Just draw a 90-degree angle over here. Sorry. I'll have to take one point over here. Yeah, it's fine. So you can simply draw the normal with dotted lines. Okay. This is the normal. Right. Okay. Now I have to draw a incident ray. So incident ray I can simply draw a line like this, right? But because I told you that it will be easier for you to draw with the help of a protractor. So just see, I'll keep the protractor like this on the normal. Okay, I'm putting the protractor such that the horizontal line is on the normal and this one is on the reflecting surface. So I'll draw I'm drawing a 40-degree angle over here. Okay, a 40-degree angle. I'll draw it here. Now I'll join both of these. The arrow should be made like this because this is an incident ray. Okay, and the angle between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence. And because I have drawn it equal to 40 degrees, so in this particular diagram angle I is equal to 40 degree, right? So this is the incident ray. Fine. Now as the law of reflection says that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, so we have to draw angle of reflection. Again I'll put the protractor like this and I'll draw a 40 degree from the normal. Please keep in mind 40 degree from the normal. Okay, so angle of reflection should be equal to the angle of incidence. That means this should also be equal to 40 degree. So now the arrow should be away from the reflecting surface. So this is the reflected ray. Fine. This angle is the angle between the reflected ray and the normal. So this will be known as, denoted by R, and it will be known as the angle of reflection. And here in this problem, because angle I is equal to 40 degree, angle R should also be equal to 40 degree. That is how you have to draw it over here. So this is a diagram showing the laws of reflection. What are the two laws of reflection? First one, that the incident ray, normal and the reflected ray, all three will lie on the same plane. Okay, what does this mean? See, incident ray and normal are made on the paper, plane of paper. The reflected ray then won't go like this, okay, somewhere in another plane. No, it won't happen. It will also be in the same plane, that means on the plane of paper. Fine. And the second law, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So this is how you are going to make the diagram, but please make it with the help of a pencil, not with pen. I have used pen because it was difficult. It will be difficult to show in the video, no? You won't be able to see. That is why I have used a pen. Please use a pencil.